bat. That's why we choose to bowl first, and it's look like slow side.
Right, and any changes for you?
Yeah, we have 5 changes.
5 changes.
Fiz not playing, Sakib not playing, Rishad not playing, Imon not playing, and Ridoy. Unfortunately, Ridoy have fever, so that's why he's not playing.
All
so,
right.
You know the name?
Yeah, please do.
Back. Taskin come back, Saifuddin, and Tamim, Miraj, and Nasum.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thanks.
Salman, it has not really gone your way to Pakistan, especially in this first two matches, but you'll be hoping that you can finish it off in a high.
Yeah. For us, like playing every game the way we want and follow our process, no matter what the result is. Yeah, we didn't play well in first 2 games, but we want to win this game and do well in this game.
Yeah, batting has been an issue for you, especially the top order. Have you been talking specifically to your top order what they need to do? Because once again, you're batting first on the surface.
Yeah, we haven't batted well as a top order, as a team as well. We have sat down, we have discussed a few things, and hopefully we execute that things better today.
Right, and any changes for you?
We have 2 changes. Sabzada comes back from Fakhr. Fakhr is resting, and then Khushi is not playing. Santala is playing.
All right, all the best, Salman.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Right, the news from the middle is that
तीसरा T20 पाकिस्तान का मुकाबला बांग्लादेश। अपने नाज़रीन को बताएं कि बांग्लादेश ने टॉस जीतकर फील्डिंग का फैसला किया है। 3 मैचेस की सीरीज़ में बांग्लादेश को 2-0 की फैसला कुन बरतरी हासिल है। अपने नाज़रीन को बता रहे हैं कि इस वक्त ढाका के मैदान से बराह रास्त ये मनाजिर आप भी देख सकते हैं, जहां पर बांग्लादेश ने टॉस जीतकर फील्डिंग का फैसला किया है।